Hey everybody, this is David with Trash Can Garage. Stay away, I've got corona. Wanted to thank y'all. We hit 100 subscribers on Saturday. We're now at 104. So for all you folks who've tuned in and hit that subscribe button, thanks, appreciate it. Just wanted to do a quick clip today with my new toy. Bought a borescope. Wanted to take a look inside the cylinders. I've got the first one already pulled out here, so we'll just do a quick clip, poke inside there and see what we can see. So stay tuned. Let me get this set up. I will pause here, make my video clip, and edit it in. Stand by. Okay, so chime in on the comments, tell me what I've looked at. We saw the inside of the combustion chamber and the cylinder walls and part of the combustion chamber. There was a little nick, it looked like, up on the upper right hand corner. I'm not sure what that is. I've never been inside the combustion chamber or had the heads off on a motor like this. I'm not sure what I was looking at. So, but that was me playing with the borescope. Caught the video with this old phone and transferred the files from one phone to the other. I'll probably pull a couple other plugs and take a look and see what those look like too in an upcoming video. So, like I said, chime in, let me know what I looked at, let me know what you think, let me know your thoughts, and See you on the next video. Got some other stuff coming up. I got floors to weld, and got some stuff on the workbench I'm working on. This is David with Trash Can Garage, signing off. Catch you soon. Bye.